Hello guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix X Twitter login error attestation denied. So a lot of people have been trying to log in, and anytime you try to log in, there's always a pop-up which is login error attestation denied. So how are you going to fix that? So first thing you have to do is you have to go to your Play Store and search for X. So once you search for X, you have to make sure your app is up to date. As you can see, mine is not updated. So all you need to do is click on update, so you can be using the latest version of Twitter. Then the next thing you have to do is go to your phone settings and go all the way to apps. Once you reach apps, all you need to do is search for Twitter, that is your X. Once you see your X, click on that and click on storage. So once you click on storage, you can now clear up the cache, clear up the data, right? So after doing that, after your app have been updated, then you can now open the app and try to log in. So let's wait for it to actually load up so you can install. So after installing, you can log in to your Twitter very fast and easy, and you can see I'm logged in already. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and please subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.